Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Scratch tutorial how to use motion go-to. The go-to motion is used to set sprite in a specific coordinate or location on stage. As example, you can use the when flag click and then go to motion. Like in here, I will use the go to, and the next you can set for the coordinates like we set into 100, -100, and -100 for y. Now if you play, the sprite will be moved into the coordinates. Okay, we'll set again slide to -50, and for y set it to 100, and if you play again, it will be moved to the coordinate. Okay, that's it for basic Scratch tutorial how to use go to motion.